Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Triumph Trident 660. This triple cylinder naked sport bike just arrived with only 154 miles on the odometer. Literally brand new, fuel injected, liquid cooled, 3-cylinder. That means lots of torque and lots of smooth. It's also got ABS brakes, gear shift indicator, fuel gauge. It's got, this bike's showroom condition. Come on by. It's still under factory warranty for the next year and a half. Come on by. Make your middleweight sport bike dreams come true for just $84.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.